Yes, you heard it right. We're talking about the 8 easiest ways to make your teeth whiter at home. So, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey to a brighter, more confident smile. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's lay down some facts. Having a bright smile not only boosts your confidence but also contributes to overall oral health. Now, I know we all love a good cup of coffee or a glass of red wine, but these delights can leave our teeth a tad less vibrant. Fear not. I've got you covered with practical, easy-to-follow tips that won't break the bank. Tip 1. The power of baking soda. Our first weapon in the quest for whiter teeth, baking soda. This kitchen staple isn't just for baking. It's a gentle abrasive that can help remove surface stains. Mix a small amount with water to create a paste, and brush your teeth with it a couple of times a week. It's like a mini spa day for your teeth. Tip 2. Nature's whitening agent, strawberries. If you love strawberries, you're in for a treat. These delicious berries contain malic acid, which can help whiten your teeth. Mash up a couple of strawberries, apply the mixture to your teeth, leave it on for a few minutes, then brush and rinse. It's like a fruity tooth fairy came by to sprinkle some whitening magic. Tip 3. Say cheese. Dairy for dental health. Cheese lovers, rejoice! Cheese and other dairy products are not just delicious. They also contain calcium and phosphorus, which promote enamel health. Enamel protection is crucial for maintaining the whiteness of your teeth. So, go ahead, indulge in some cheese. Your teeth will thank you. Tip 4. Oil pulling. Ancient wisdom for modern smiles. Now, let's talk about oil pulling, an ancient practice that's gaining popularity for its potential oral health benefits. Swishing a tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth for about 15-20 minutes can help remove bacteria and stains. It's like a natural detox for your mouth, leaving you with a cleaner, brighter smile. Tip 5. Activated charcoal. A surprising whitening agent. Activated charcoal might seem like an unlikely hero, but hear me out. It's a highly absorbent substance that can bind to toxins and stains on your teeth. Just dip a wet toothbrush into powdered activated charcoal, brush gently for a few minutes, and rinse thoroughly. It's like a black magic spell for whiter teeth. Tip 6. The magic of hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide. A common household item with extraordinary teeth whitening potential. Mix a small amount with water to create a mouthwash solution, swish it around for a minute, and then spit it out. Just be cautious not to overuse it, as excessive use may lead to tooth sensitivity. It's like a gentle, bubbly makeover for your smile. Tip 7. Good old lemon and citrus peels. Lemons and citrus fruits are not only refreshing, they also contain natural bleaching agents. Rubbing the peel of a lemon or orange on your teeth for a few minutes can help brighten them up. But be mindful. The acidity in citrus fruits can erode enamel, so use this method sparingly. It's like a burst of sunshine for your smile. Tip 8. Maintain good oral hygiene habits. Last but certainly not least, let's not forget the basics, maintaining good oral hygiene habits. Regular brushing, flossing, and using an antiseptic mouthwash are essential for preventing stains and keeping your teeth healthy. It's like giving your teeth a daily dose of TLC. And there you have it, folks, 8 super easy ways to make your teeth whiter at home. Remember, consistency is key, and always consult with your dentist before trying new methods. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Health Spiffy for more fantastic health tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Thank you for joining me on this journey to a brighter, whiter smile. Until next time, stay spiffy and stay healthy.